To make money with QuickBooks in 2025, you first need to understand the basics of the software and its applications. QuickBooks is a popular accounting and financial management tool used by businesses and individuals to track expenses, create invoices, and manage financial records. The first step is to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to use QuickBooks effectively. You can do this by taking online courses, attending workshops, or getting certified as a QuickBooks user. This will enable you to provide valuable services to clients and help them manage their finances efficiently. One way to make money with QuickBooks is to offer bookkeeping and accounting services to small businesses and entrepreneurs who need help with financial management. You can use QuickBooks to create and manage invoices, track expenses, and generate financial reports for your clients. Another way to make money with QuickBooks is to create and sell online courses teaching others how to use the software. With the increasing demand for accounting and financial management skills, you can capitalize on this trend by creating high-quality courses and selling them on online platforms. You can also make money with QuickBooks by becoming a certified QuickBooks consultant and helping businesses implement and optimize the software. This can include setting up the system, providing training, and troubleshooting any issues that may arise. To succeed in making money with QuickBooks, it is essential to stay up to date with the latest features and updates of the software. You should also have excellent communication and project management skills to effectively work with clients and deliver high-quality services. In addition, you can leverage the QuickBooks ecosystem by creating and selling add-on products and services, such as customized templates, financial analysis tools, and integration with other business applications. This can help you differentiate yourself from competitors and increase your earning potential. By following these steps and staying focused on providing value to your clients, you can make money with QuickBooks and build a successful and profitable business. Remember to always follow best practices and stay compliant with accounting and financial regulations to maintain your credibility and reputation in the industry.